Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Darius jungle. To begin, focus on a strong early game clear. Start at your red buff, then clear raptors and wolves to reach level 3 quickly. Your goal is to secure early ganks, especially in lanes with allied crowd control. Remember to position your decimate ability carefully to hit enemies with its outer edge for maximum damage and healing, which is crucial for sustaining your jungle clear. As you transition into the mid-game, your focus shifts to securing major objectives. Prioritize taking dragons and the Rift Herald to give your team significant buffs and tower pressure. For itemization, aim for core items like Black Cleaver for armor shred and Sterak's Gauge for a crucial shield, boosting both your damage and survivability. Keep ganking consistently, turning your early leads into a dominant mid-game presence across the map. In the late game, team fights become critical. Your apprehendability is vital for initiating, allowing you to pull high-priority enemy targets into your team's engage. Always aim to stack your hemorrhage passive 5 times on an enemy champion before using your ultimate, Noxian Guillotine, for maximum true damage execution. Decide whether to protect your carries or dive the enemy backline, adapting to each fight. Securing Baron and Elder Dragon is paramount for victory. For advanced play, consider counter-jungling when the enemy jungler is visible elsewhere, stealing their camps and setting them behind. Deep vision wards in their jungle are invaluable for tracking their pathing and anticipating ganks. Remember to adapt your item build. If they have heavy magic damage, prioritize magic resistance. Finally, consistently practice your decimate spacing to reliably hit the outer edge, maximizing your damage and healing in every encounter. Master these steps to dominate as Darius jungle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.